Imagine making money without lifting a finger even while you sleep. In today's video, we're uncovering the laziest ways to make money online that require minimal effort but can bring in real income. If you're looking for easy, low-maintenance ways to earn, keep watching. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Future Finance Lab. In today's fast-paced world, who doesn't love the idea of making money online with minimal work? Whether you're looking to make a few extra bucks or dream of passive income, I've got you covered with some simple, accessible ideas. These are methods anyone can start, no experience needed. Let me share a quick story. When I first dipped my toes into the world of passive income, I felt overwhelmed. There were so many options and it felt like everyone was already making a killing. But once I found the right strategies that didn't require me to be glued to my computer screen 24/7, the income started flowing in while I was literally asleep. Let's dive in. First up is one of my all-time favorites, affiliate marketing. Now, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a real way to make money online with minimal effort once you get the hang of it. It's like being that friend who always knows about the best deals and gets a little kickback for sharing them. Essentially, you partner with brands and promote their products or services. You'll get a unique link, and every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. The beauty of it, you don't even need to create your own products. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank and Share a Sale make it super easy to get started. They have tons of products to choose from, so you can find something that aligns with your interests and audience. And the best part, you don't need a massive following to start earning. Share your links on your social media, website, blog, or even in YouTube video descriptions. Remember, authenticity is key. Promote products you actually use and believe in. Your audience can tell when you're genuinely excited about something. When I first started dabbling in affiliate marketing, I focused on tech gadgets and real estate investing resources because, well, that's what I knew and loved. Before I knew it, I was waking up to commission notifications in my inbox. It was like magic, but it was the power of consistency and genuine recommendations. Pro tip: to start with products that are already trending or have a proven track record. Jump on that bandwagon and ride the wave of popularity. Next up is an even lazier option for you, cashback websites and apps. I mean, who doesn't love free money? These platforms are like your personal shopping assistants that scour the internet for the best deals and then give you a cut of the savings. We're talking about apps like Rakuten, Honey and Ibotta. You're probably already shopping online for everyday essentials like groceries, clothes and electronics. Why not get some money back while you're at it? It's literally as easy as signing up, browsing through their platform to find the stores you love, and then shopping like you normally would. You'll earn a percentage of your purchase back in cash or rewards. Think of it as getting paid to shop. I remember when I first discovered Rakuten, it was a game changer. Suddenly my usual online shopping sprees were coming with a little bonus. It felt like I was getting away with something, but it was totally legit. Pro tip: make sure to check these apps before you make any online purchases. You never know what deals or cashback offers you might be missing out on. Caution: some apps have a minimum payout threshold, so you might need to accumulate a certain amount before you can cash out. But hey, it's free money, so just be patient. Okay, let's be real. You're probably spending some time each day scrolling through social media or watching videos, right? Why not get paid for it? I'm talking about online surveys and reward sites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Survey Junkie. These platforms are your go-to for earning a little extra cash in your spare time. You can answer surveys, watch videos, complete simple tasks, and even play games, all while racking up points or cash rewards. Now, I'm not going to lie. You won't become a millionaire by taking surveys, but if you've got some downtime and want to make a few extra bucks, this is a super easy way to do it. I like to think of it as my Netflix and earn side hustle. Pro tip: sign up for multiple survey sites to maximize your earning potential. The more options you have, the more surveys you can take and the more money you can make. Caution: be mindful of survey scams. Legitimate survey sites will never ask you for your credit card information or upfront payments. Chapter 4. Digital products. Create once, sell forever. Now, if you're feeling a little bit more creative, let's talk about selling digital products. This is one of my favorite ways to generate passive income because you literally create the product once and then it can sell over and over again without any extra effort from you. Think about it. Printables, templates, planners, ebooks, courses, stock photos, website themes, the possibilities are endless. If you have a knack for design, writing, or creating helpful resources, you can turn your skills into a profitable online business. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad are your best friends here. They make it super easy to list your products, handle payments, and even promote your work to a wider audience. When I first started creating digital products, I was blown away by how simple it was. I used Canva to design eye-catching planners and templates. And within a few weeks, I had a steady stream of sales coming in. It was like my own little digital shop, open 24/7. Pro tip: focus on creating high-quality products that solve a specific problem or fulfill a need. Do your research, identify trending niches, and deliver value to your customers. Pro tip number 2, don't be afraid to promote your products on social media, in relevant Facebook groups, or even through influencer marketing. Get the word out there and watch the sales roll in. Chapter 5, rent out your stuff. Turn your clutter into cash. All right, let's talk about turning your unused belongings into a money-making machine. You're probably sitting on a goldmine of stuff you rarely use. Why not put it to work for you? We're talking about platforms like Turo, Airbnb, and Fat Llama. Got a car that's collecting dust in the garage? Rent it out on Turo, have a spare room, or even your entire home sitting empty. Airbnb is your go-to. Camera gear gathering dust? Fat Llama will help you find eager renters. It's all about leveraging what you already have to generate passive income. And the best part? You get to set your own rates and availability, so you're in complete control. I remember when I first started renting out my car on Turo, it felt a little strange at first, but then I realized it was like having my car pay for itself while I wasn't even using it. It was a no-brainer. Pro tip: take high-quality photos of your belongings, write clear and detailed descriptions, and be responsive to potential renters. Pro tip number 2, make sure you have the necessary insurance and permits in place before you start renting out your assets. Chapter 6, dividends and REITs make your money work for you. Now, if you're looking for truly passive income, the kind that lets you earn while you sleep without lifting a finger, then you need to explore the world of dividend stocks and REITs, or real estate investment trusts. Don't worry, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to get started. Apps like Robinhood and Webull have made investing more accessible than ever. Dividend stocks are like little money-making machines. You buy shares in a company, and if they're profitable, they'll share a portion of their profits with you in the form of dividends, usually quarterly. REITs are like owning a piece of real estate, but without the hassle of being a landlord. You invest in commercial properties like shopping malls or apartments, and you receive regular dividends from the rental income. Now remember, investing always comes with risks. But with careful research and a long-term mindset, dividends and REITs can provide you with a steady stream of passive income. When I first started investing, I was hesitant, but once I saw my dividends reinvesting and compounding over time, I knew I had tapped into a powerful wealth-building strategy. Pro tip: start with low-cost diversified index funds or ETFs that track the stock market. It's a great way to get your feet wet without putting all your eggs in one basket. Caution: do your research, understand the risks, and consult with a financial advisor if needed. Chapter 7, Faceless. YouTube, let your content do the talking. Last but not least, let's talk about YouTube. Now, I know what you're thinking. YouTube? That requires being on camera, right? Not necessarily. You can create a successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face. The beauty of Faceless YouTube is that you can let your content do the talking. You can create videos using royalty-free stock footage, animation software, or even just voiceovers with engaging visuals. Think about it: tutorials, educational content, top 10 lists, product reviews, meditation music, calming nature scenes. The possibilities are endless. Once you build up a loyal audience and get monetized, you can earn passive income through ads, sponsorships, and even affiliate marketing. When I first started my YouTube channel, I was camera shy. But then I realized that I could still share valuable information and connect with an audience without being on camera. And guess what? It worked. Pro tip: Choose a niche you're passionate about and create high-quality, evergreen content that will continue to attract viewers over time. Pro tip number 2, optimize your videos for search using relevant keywords and tags. This will help people find your content more easily. All right, that's a wrap on the easiest ways to make money online with minimal effort. Remember, while these methods don't take a lot of time, consistency is key to seeing results. It's like planting seeds. You need to nurture them and give them time to grow. If you're ready to start earning while you sleep, click the links in the description to check out the tools I mentioned today and get started. I've also included some bonus resources to help you take your online earnings to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more tips to make life easier and more profitable. See you in the next video.